Number 21. Which row shows processes that all use energy from respiration? Diffusion does not require energy, so answer should be either A or D. Cell division, yes, it does require oxygen. Osmosis, no. So osmosis do not require energy because it's a form of passive transport. So the answer should be D already. However, let's look at the other options. So muscle contraction, yes, it does require energy. Passage of nerve impulses. Okay, so nerve sends out the signal called impulse. And it does require energy. The impulses are actually transmitted by cells called neurons. So neurons are nerve cells. And these guys sends out the signals called impulses, and in order to send the signals, they do require energy. So yes, and active transport, of course, it needs energy. So the answer should be D.